G'day, welcome to the Zinsser Bunch. My name is Bert from Excellent Coatings, and if you have crayon or waxiness on your ceiling, then no problems at all. We'll show you how to fix it with Zinsser Cover Stain. Let's get stuck into it. Now, if you have crayon on your ceiling, this presents a unique problem. The waxy surface will bleed through most regular paints. That's why you need Zinsser Cover Stain as the undercoat to make sure it doesn't pop through. For this problem, we've chosen Zinsser Cover Stain, and the reason for this is it can be used both interior and exterior use. It has amazing hiding capabilities. It can be recoated within 1 hour, it's a pretty quick turnaround, and it can be used with all other types of paints as the top coat. Let's undercoat the crayon with this. First things first, always read the safety label at the back and follow all PPE labels on the back of the product. Make sure you're safe. Now, with a brush or a roller, make sure you apply a generous coat to the affected area, keeping in mind that this coat might not necessarily block 100% of the stain, but will do a great job of making sure it doesn't bleed through the top coats when you apply them. Bit of a hot tip, when you are applying the paint, make sure you get a nice even final coat, and when you're doing the edges especially, feather them out so there's no thick fatty bits that you have to deal with in the top coat. Here we are at the end result. The ceiling looks great. It's had 2 coats of top coat on top of the Zinsser Cover Stain. No sign of any of the waxiness from the crayon. If you do happen to have any waxiness or crayon on your ceiling, don't just chuck any regular paint over it. It won't cover it up. Make sure you use Zinsser Cover Stain as a preparation coat. With Zinsser, it's no problems.